Hi everybody, it's Professor Tedone. I'm going to do a quick tutorial with you on how to do a voiceover for PowerPoint or how to do a narrated PowerPoint. First thing you have to do is you have to complete your PowerPoint, including your notes page, and put down any notes that you want to talk about during your presentation. This will be very helpful for it. So complete everything. When you're done with that, you go to Slideshow. And then you're going to click Record Slideshow. And I always start at the very beginning, so I'm starting here. Record with your current slide. Okay? Now I am recording when I press the record button. Gives you a minute to set up. So you want to see your notes, and I want to see them bigger. So when I click notes, I always have to do this so I can see my notes better, okay? So your notes will show up there. Once you have your notes showing up, there's one of two ways of doing it. I'm going to show you both. First way is you press record. And at this point you are recording, so anything you say is going to show up or you're going to hear when this slide is being presented. When you're done with this slide, you can go to the next, and you can either do pause and look at your notes to get an idea of what you want to do, or you can just go on. If I do pause, I have to do record again. Okay, so now I'm recording again for this slide. Now, if you are recording this slide and you want to look something up, you're not sure where it is, or someone's at your door or whatever, you can push pause again, walk away, and then come back. And you can, I don't even know how long it is, an indefinite amount of time, I believe. When you come back, just do record again, and it'll pick right back up. And you just complete this for the entirety of your presentation. My reference slide, and then ask the audience if they have any questions. They can write to you with them or whatever. So that is presentation. When you're completed with this, just press the X in the corner, and that will save it, okay? Now, when you go to look at this, you're going to see something here, that little mouthpiece there. That means that this slide has been recorded. So if I go to listen to it, here, this is what you're going to hear when you're watching it. If I'm somebody that's going to be watching, I will be doing from current slide. And at this point, you are recording, so anything you say is going to show up, or you're going to hear when this slide is being presented. When you're done with this slide, okay, so as you can see, it is recorded. Any questions, let me know. There are lots of other things you can do with it, but this is the best way to just get started with recording. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.